How to log in AutoZone app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into AutoZone app. So first of all, you want to install the AutoZone app. So go to your app store and install AutoZone onto your device. Once the application is completely installed, tap onto the open button and at the very home page you will be able to see sign in or create. And to create your account, simply go ahead and if you already have an account, then you could simply log in. So for that, tap on the sign in, enter in your email address or your phone number and the password associated with your AutoZone account. So due to some security concern, the interface will go completely blank. So I'm just going to instruct. So all you need is tap on sign in and you just want to make sure to go ahead and enter in your email address and the password associated with your AutoZone. And that is how you'll be able to log into AutoZone app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.